Hare Krishna, morning walk again. So, very unique topic, and I want you to look in your charts. And if you don't have it in your chart, look in the chart who has it. Sun in the Lagna, Surya Devata in the Lagna. And today I'll give you a very different definition of Surya Devata. You know what? People say Surya is ego, confidence, immunity. It's the zeal to do something. It's like little bit temperament issues, unapproachable. But imagine, based on my experience, wherever you have Surya in your kundi, be it the first house, second house, third house, any house, you will have moral value system in that particular house. You will have moral values. Simple as that. You will keep the values of your family, tradition. That's what Surya does wherever Surya sits. Especially अगर आपका सूर्य लगन में हो, आप देखना उन लोगों को, वो अपने घर के संस्कार, the tradition, the inheritance, the moral values of the family, they will be very possessive about it. Very possessive. I mean, that can bring some sort of ego or temperament issues or some sort of rigidness. But it is a value system. Suppose you have Surya in the 7th house, you say Asta Lagna, right? Fine, I agree, it's Asta Lagna. But that person will have values for marriage, for association, for partnership. Surya in the 7th house will have lot of values for society, Samaj. Surya in the 10th house, you have lot of values for your profession, lot of moral values. 9th house Surya, you will have lot of moral values for your gurus, teachers, dharma. You will have it. 4th house, you'll have values for your home. See, I mean, you may suffer, you may not suffer, depending upon the entire chart. But wherever Surya sits, open your chart, see the position of the Surya and ask yourself, do you have values for that particular flavor of your life? You will have it. I'll come up with another small video on morning walks. Till then, Hare Krishna.